Buongiorno paesani, it's time for another Sicilian lesson. And this expression, it's not so much a word, but an expression. And my dad used to use it a lot when he would really want to underline that what he was saying was the truth. Instead of saying te lo giuro, or I swear that it's the truth, he'd say orbu dell'occhi, which really means blind of the eyes. In Italian, it's translated to cieco dagli occhi, but where else would you be blind from? But anyway, orbu dell'occhio would mean that he would curse himself to go blind if he wasn't saying the truth. So this is the phrase I wanted to teach you today. Orbu dell'occhi means blind of the eyes. In Italian, it's cieco dagli occhi. It's a very popular, well-known expression in my household as a Sicilian from Cattolica. And so that's what I wanted to teach you today. Have a great rest of the week. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all my social media platforms. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.